Are you confused on how to use your essential oils within your skincare? Let's make this Beautify Roll-On together so that you can have beautiful, amazing skin. From this recipe, you'll go from confused on how to use essential oils in your everyday skincare to using this daily. Hi, I'm Shyla. I'm a certified aromatherapist here at Simply Earth, and I love teaching people how to use essential oils in their lives. So turn off those distractions because making is healing, and let's get started with this fun recipe. First thing you're gonna wanna do is grab your March recipe box, find that recipe card, and then grab everything you'll need for this recipe from your box. I'm gonna grab my recipe card, tea tree essential oil, our Beauty Within essential oil, coriander essential oil, fractionated coconut oil from your big bonus box, and a roll-on from your big bonus box. And if you'd like, a funnel from your kitchen. First thing you're gonna wanna do for this recipe is take your cap off and get the roller ball off. A tip for this is you can use your cap to kind of pry the little roller guy out. All right, I'm gonna put a funnel on because I'm pretty messy, and I'm gonna start putting my essential oils into my bottle. So you'll want 2 drops of tea tree, 3 drops of your Beauty Within essential oil blend. This blend is absolutely amazing for anything skincare related. You'll really like this guy. And 1 drop of coriander. The next step is you are going to want to grab your fractionated coconut oil and fill the rest of the way up with fractionated coconut oil. Ta-da! You want to take your funnel out, put your roller back into the bottle. I'm just going to put my lid on because I'm going to swirl it around to make sure that the essential oils are evenly incorporated. Last but not least, you're going to want to put your label on and you are all set. Ta-da! You can make this too. Let's test it out. I absolutely love this product. It's amazing, it makes my skin super soft, and I'm really excited for you guys to try it too. I love seeing your creations, so go ahead and tag From Simply Earth with the hashtag I made this so I can see all of those fun creations too. The Simply Earth recipe box makes making all natural recipes super easy. Go get yours today.